Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. In this video, we're talking about the Himi Gouache paint set, and why it's one of the best options available for both beginner and experienced artists. This set features 112 vibrant colors, each in a convenient 12 grams twin jelly cup design, all packed neatly into a portable carrying case. It's non-toxic, making it a safe choice for artists of all ages, and is perfect for painting on both canvas and paper. When you first open the Himi Gouache paint set, the first thing you'll notice is its impressive range of colors. 112 different shades allow you to explore a wide variety of hues without the need for tedious mixing. The unique twin jelly cup design holds 2 colors per cup, allowing for easy access and organization. The case is designed with portability in mind, complete with a soft handle and secure lid, making it perfect for artists who enjoy painting outdoors or on the go. This gouache set is formulated to be thick and creamy, retaining brush or spatula marks for a wonderful texture. Whether you're creating intricate details or broad strokes, the colors blend seamlessly and dry to a smooth, matte finish. The paints are easily diluted with water, yet they won't crack or crumble as they dry, giving your work a lasting finish that stands the test of time. The pigment quality is outstanding, ensuring that the colors remain vibrant even after drying. Not only is this gouache set designed for versatility and ease of use, but it also conforms to ASTM D4236 and EUEN 71 safety standards, so you can trust that it's safe for everyone, including children. It's a great gift for creative adults, students, or even professional artists who need a reliable paint set for their next masterpiece. Overall, the Himi Gouache paint set with 112 colors is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their art supplies. It offers vibrant, high-quality pigments, a portable design, and ease of use for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're looking to start your gouache journey or add a new set of colors to your collection, this set is sure to impress. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.